So यहाँ पे let's start. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will tell you how to use CTD counter in TIA portal V16 S7-1200 PLC. Here we create new project counter C OUNTER counter TOWN काउंटर डाउन के नाम से हम इसको सेव कर देते हैं और हम क्रिएट करते हैं ये नया प्रोग्राम. In previous lecture we will discuss about up counter. Now in this lesson we will use this down counter because somewhere have used up counting clockwise direction and somewhere have used down यानी reverse counting यानी both system in the counting sometime have to be used. Because of reverse also condition have to be somewhere like to see the value, and in forward condition also have to be see the value how much yani. So let's we add new device first and also go to N7 PLC, and next you have to be select your article number and then click OK. Now we go to in program blocks and go to the main OB, and then first he is asking for which thing you need for counting. And I say let's start with my I0.0 is my signal for counting condition, and next I take the counter from here. See, in previous lecture this we used CTU and now we used this CTD counter. CTD counter in this first here also I will put the for reset condition asking which thing you like to be reset yani. I give signal I0.1 for a reset condition, and here I give one data. Here first also I have to be changed. I like to be int or dint, which I get dint, and here I put MD10, and here he says asking for current value, which how you see the any value when your counter will be running, and you how to see the value. So I give the data MD15 for see the value, and here he is when your counts are completed, after what thing you like to be start. I say Q0.0 I need to be start, and this program I will download to the PLC. And then start search. Start search and then load. And now continuous download and make it reinitialize or stop all, and then click load. And then click finish. See, now I make it my simulation on, and here is a some data register in 0. That's in this condition 0, this q output q 0.0 is continuously on, which is yani wrong. First I have to give one signal to my PLC for this output need to be stopped. It's go to 0, but this q 0.0 is still on, which is wrong. I have some data, give it from here. In for example, I give this 6 counts and I give one signal. That's now it is stopped yani. But this program is totally wrong yani. For example, think about, now I started the program for execution. I give my signal 5 4 3 2 1 and 0, and my output is on. Let's see, in this condition, when our power supply is will if goes, and now output is stopped, but when its power come, it will be next again in run. It's very yani wrong procedure. That's never yani like to do. Maybe can some injuries or some accidents. You have to be must, this data needs be retained, because this data is still not retained. We have to use this another data block. We stop this one, and first we go to the new block, and here we go to the data block. When data block go here, data block 1, also we can make it this rename also, but that last we gave, but now this is finished. Here I give down count down counting, and here I data have to be show D word. If I use D word here, and here also have to be say in retain yani, must be that will be retained. If not make it retain, this will be not continue. And here when I go this there and check this one, and this data block db2 counting down T word have to be put it here. And now then I will make download again, then click load, and I will make that simulation on, and here I give this data modify none in decimal I put 6 values and make it on, and this also I give display format and decimal, which is shown as a decimal. I give my signal to Q0.1 will be stop condition, and now when I start this my counting, when this is 5 4 3 2 1 and 0, and my Q0.0 will be on. And when and in this condition, now you can check yani if power supply will be, oh sorry, this I will make first make it stop. Then if any conveyor or somewhere your thing is motor is running, when it comes at your set point at the 6, after this will be goes off yani, and after this counting your power supply is gone. When you stop this one, after you make it next again, your data will be stored. Will be not go to an race or not will be in injury or something. Your system will be working properly. How many times if your power will gone, but your data will not erase. You continuously you can use with counting 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. When it's on, when its next condition go at set point, it will be off. Next you do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. When his counts detect, your coil will be closed, motor or somewhere. So I think so. This is the down counting, and you complete understand about this. If you not understand anything in this video, you can send me a message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.